How to create blog in System.io. Hello, welcome to our channel, WebWiz, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to create blog in System.io. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out rightly the System.io website through the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, what is System.io? So System.io, as you can see on the screen, is the one of the world easiest all-in-one marketing platform where you can, create sales funnels and marketing emails or create website, manage your affiliates, etc., etc. So it's one of the best tool in order business famous in online. So if you want to create an account, you can just input your email address right here. Any Gmail will work, and just click get my free account and go to your Gmail and activate your account. And after you create your account, you will redirect you to the dashboard, rightly away. So right here in the dashboard, you can see the live updates on your of the System.io, and you can also manage your new leads from the last 31 days. And as you can see on the top side of the dashboard, you can see contacts, funnels, emails, blogs, automation products. You can just click any of this and just create a contacts, funnels, email marketing if you want. But for now, we will create a blog. So right here on the blog tabs, you will see rightly on the left side of automation. And if you want to create a blogs, we can just click it and look at this. I don't have any blogs, but I can just create by clicking the create button right here in the top right hand corner. And after you click that, you will need to provide your name first, the name of your blog if you want. So for example, I am just going to create a blog about PlayStation something games. And after you input your name, you will need to provide your domain name, but you already have a default. But if you have a custom domain, you can just input your domain right here. And also, you can add another URL path for your website if you want to add it. But, it doesn't really matter for your blog. But if you, after that, and below this one, you will see a bunch of templates that you can use for your blogs. But you can choose any of these templates that suits your blog theme. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. What I'm going to choose, this one. So if you want to choose this, you can just preview it first to see what your blog website will look. So this is my website will look, and I can edit all of this. So as you can see, it has a categories and popular posts, and it also has different pages. So any of this you can edit in your editing page. Any of the pages right here, the about homepage, contact page, any of that. So after, if you're okay with this website or the templates that you chose, if you're okay with it, you can just go back and start with the template. Just click select template and just click save. And after that, your blog will already be listed under the blogs. So as you can see, I already have my blogs, and if I click it, the name of my blogs, the PlayStation games, if I click it, it will redirect me to the contents of my blogs. So as you can see, my template blogs already have 8 posts, and I can edit all of that as well as the pages and also the categories. And so for the categories, if you have, the categories, as we know, it separates all of your posts. So for example, you have a category 1 about a certain post, and another category for another certain post. So as you can see in my category 1, I have a total of 4 posts, and I can just edit the name of that category. So for example, I will change it to for example, PlayStation games upcoming 2024. Okay. Then I just click save, and right here, the name is changed. And I can also do that on the other categories. And after you're done editing your categories, and just save it, and right here you can just edit the post on that categories and make a post about that categories. For example, I'm just going to create a PlayStation game, upcoming PlayStation games on 2024, and post something, articles, something like that, about that categories. And I can edit all of that on the post page. If I go to the post page, and I'm just going to refresh the page in order to reflect my changes. And after that, as you can see, I can see all the posts under my certain categories, and I can just change the name of my post, and about, for example, about that categories. For example, under best Sony games, I can change the title of that blog into Marvel's Spider-Man 2, for example, and I can just create an article or post about that. And I can just add a short description if you want, or if I want. But if you want in your blog, you can add a short description, and also you can change the image on that blog. So I can just go to input some random image about Marvel Spider-Man to that, and just click save after I'm done. And that right here, as you can see, my blog title has been changes, and also the picture. And if I want to edit this one, I can just go click this one, and it will right direct me to the page, editing page, where I can edit this post. For example, I can add a text and write an article about this Marvel Spider-Man 2. And yeah, that's it. That's how you make posts, that's how you make blogs. And after adding text, as you can see, you can just edit the text itself. So you can change the font style, you can change the font size that you want, and also you can add spacing on your lines. Also adding a background color on your text, in order to make your text cooler. And for if you want to move your text, you can just edit the margin. As you can see on the screen, I can adjust the margin. It will move your whole text box. As you can see on the screen right there, it starts moving. And after you're done editing your text, you're rightly to go. You can just click save change and go back to your menu and do this thing. Same with the other posts. And yeah, that's it. If I go back to the menu, I can just click view blog in order to see what my blog would look like on the website itself. So I can just scroll down, and as you can see rightly here on the post, I can see my page. And I don't think my change my name in category reflect in my website, but yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. So now let's go to the pages. As you can see, I can edit each of these pages if I want. And as you can see right here, if I click the three dots on the right hand corner and click edit, you will see the edit button, and just click that, and it will direct you to the editing page again. So now you can edit the page itself. As you can see, it's not that you can this page right here, you can change the pictures if you want. You can change the margins, add more text, add more pictures, add more buttons. As you can see, you can change the category, or for example, the category one, the display, the layout itself, also the rows. You can edit all of these things by just clicking on them and click edit, and that's it. You can change all of that, the text itself, the language. And after you're done, you can just click save change, and it will reflect rightly away. That's how you can edit your website here, just like Wix and other website builder. It's pretty much easy to do. Anyone can do this because it's not requiring a complex skills in order to edit that. And yeah, that's it. And if you're done with your website, you can just go to view your website and copy your website link or URL and post it on your social media accounts. And that's it, so that your subscribers can see your posts, your blogs on systema.io. So that's how you use systema.io to create blog. And that's it for this tutorial. If you want more to this channel, please like this video and click the notification bell, and see you in the next one. Bye.